Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we get started, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nurul Azifah Karamah with ID number 2040001240007, and I made this video formally to complete my assignment about phonetic and phonology. It's about practicing vowel sound. After studying the theory of producing vowel sounds in English phonetically, we then need to practice the theory so the Indonesian learners of English are able to make the vowel sound accurately and naturally. For the reason, the two methods of studying vowel sounds from useful English rules adapted as a practice materials for making vowel sound in English. Practicing the production of these words using the two methods by following this instruction. The first is focus on making the required vowel sound and think to make the required vowel sound as instructed in the place of articulation and manner of articulation before making the sound, and also produce the required sound slowly and accurately. When you get accustomed to making the sound accurately, then you can produce the sound fluently. And the first method is from the sound to vowel letters. This method requires the learners to learn how to make vowel sounds by recognizing vowel sounds and their typical spelling variants. Two kinds of sound example are present, namely vowel sound E and vowel sound U. Vowel sound E. The production of vowel sound E is shown by presenting words containing vowel letters and vowel combination which may represent the sound. The letter A, me, be, he, she, we, if, they, shame, them, seen, absence, paid, delete, compete, complete, absolute, created, concrete, discrete, extreme, supreme, stiff, interfering, reduce, equal, even, evening, evil, descent, resent, region, matter, pattern, secret, media, demon, detail, female, meat, Pete, legal, genius, senior, confident, frequent, veto, premium, profuse, dope, cartoon. Under stress in the suffix Japanese, Chinese, Portuguese, Lebanese, Vietnamese, Maltese, Burmese, Manganese. Stress are unstressed in the prefix remake, retail, rewrite, prestosic, pre-war, premarital, premature, prepaid, and combination EE under stress in the root C, flee, free, agree, degree, knee, feel, peel, seed, feed, proceed, succeed, exist, seen, keen, teen, seek, peak, seem, screen, deep, creep, sleep, fleet, meet, greet, sleep, under stress in the suffix trying, forgive, reverse, address, and combination AI, under stress in the root C, flee, T, P, peace, beach, teach, bleed, read, peak, leak, freak, deal, meal, reveal, steal, beam, cream, scream, team, bean, lean, clean, hip, leap, reap, please, release, embrace, tease, meet, be, heat, beneath, breathe, creature, leaf, combination EA, under stress in the root peace, knees, field, shield, yield, achieve, believe, grief, relief, retrieve, believe, grief, believe, bereave, shift, thief, fiend, siege, shriek, breathe, Combination AE understays in the root seize, receive, recept, receive, conceive, conceive, perceive, selling, leisure, lake. Letter E in the word of foreign origin. Police, gasoline, machine, magazine, marine, routine, fashion, sardine, prestige, regime, elite, routine, and also naive, pizza, ski, leader, fatigue, intriguer, antique, PCQ, technique, unique, key, people, Aesop, adipose. And also the vowel sound E is made by the following vowel letters and vowel letter sounds. Combination in English word, letter E under stress or unstressed in the root prefix, suffix or ending. Eat, beat, fit, sit, miss, kiss, tip, lip, rip, pick, kick, sick, pin, sin, dinner, bring, sing, king, pick, pin, bring, king, and also list, risk, fill, kill, hill, trim, river, habit, unit, list, risk, fill, consist, ignore, inform, infinity, justice, classic, public, English, swimming, and also understressed or unstressed in the root prefix, suffix, or rating. Enough, affect, 11, electric, emotion, endless, despair, pretty, depart, remove, repair, repeat, reply, preliminary, prepare, security, illness, rocket, fixes, projects, a date, content, and the letter Y. Understressed on unstressed in the root, symbol, lyric, mirror, hymn, meme, sympathy, Sydney, synthesis, synchronous, crystal, system, typical, tyranny, mystery, myth, rhythm, antonym, synonym. Second method, from vowel letters to the vowel sound. This method requires the learners to recognize vowel letters and vowel sounds combination which represent particular vowel sound. The following example indicate how some vowel combination represent several sound to improve the naturalness of making vowel sound in English. It's essential that we recognize what possible vowel sounds to produce in such a combination. Combination of vowel letters EA, possible vowel sound, vowel E, C, D, flea, peace, beach, teach, and lead. And also read, big, peak, leak, freak, deal, meal, reveal, seal, steal, beam, cream, scream, team, bean, lean, clean, hip, leap, reap, please, valise, increase, tease, meet, beat, hit, beneath, breathe, creature, and leaf. And also vowel sound A. Bread, dead, head, heater, lead, read, spread, treat, treat, ready, instead, sweet, or red, dread, thread. And also sweeter, thread, threaten, breathe, deed, diff, health, stealth, wealth, weather, leather, feather. And also treacherous, treasure, measure, pleasure, pleasant, jealous, dealt, mean, cleans, weapon, heavy, heavy, breakfast, breast. And also vowel sound ES. Diera, donger, condemn, break, greet, stick. Combination of vowel letters O. Possible vowel sound A, U. Now, how, cow, row, bow, bro, allow, crowd, powder, O, foal, hoe, down, gown, town, clone, brown, throne, crown, browse, browser, towel, vowel, foul, flower, power, tower, coward, howard, flower, power, tower, and vowel sound O, no, low, show, row, bow, mow, o, tow, crow, grow, true, blow, flow, slow, bowl, own, blown, flown, grown, shown, thrown, crowed. Vowel sound O, follow, hollow, burrow, narrow, window, yellow, and possible vowel sound O, out, bloat, about, doubt, coach, gloat, load, proud, fold, known, once, bounce, announce, found, bone, grown, hound, round, sound, surround, count, amount, mountain, house, mouse, louse, blows, moat, salt, scout, shoot, hour, flower, sour, bow, slow, trough. Vowel sound oo, grew, suit, root, boulevard, cougar, coupon, mouse, routine, souvenir, throw, one, yo, and youth. Vowel sound O, could, should, would, and vowel neutral sound A, enough, row, toe, country, cousin, couple, double, trouble, touch, flourish, nourish, young. Vowel sound coke, bulk, broke, folk, oak, soak, toe, course, court, for, power, source, your. Vowel sound O, bloater, shoulder, soul, dough, toe, bloater, folder, soul. The learners might continue practicing these two methods by identifying what letters and letters combination represent that vowel sound, referring to the section of vowel letters and their sound. Okay, maybe that's all of my presentation. Sorry if I made some mistake. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.